After finding peacocks in the previous video, Sneha, Lola and I continue our exploration of Fatehpur Sikri, where we wanted to witness the grandness of the Buland Darwaza and other monuments of the Fatehpur Sikri complex. And now we're going to the second part of the fort, which is the mosque complex, and we're going to enter through this gateway, huge gateway that you see, which is the Shahi Darwaza. And in the background, if you can see, there's the Buland Darwaza, which is another gateway from where we will probably exit, which is one of the largest gateways in India. So क्योंकि ये एक मस्जिद है, like this is known as the Jama Masjid of Fatehpur Sikri, and यहाँ पे शूज़ नहीं पहन के जा सकते, so you have to keep your shoes over here, and यहाँ पे सबने अपने shoes रखे हैं. So they ask a small charge, maybe 10 rupees, so you can pay that, and then you enter through the Shahi gateway, through which we are entering right now, and you go inside the magnificent, courtyard of the mosque. And look at the dome, it is actually huge. It looks amazing. And that is Lola enjoying the magnificence of this huge courtyard of Jama Masjid of Fatehpur Sikri. It looks amazing. There's so many people over here, and क्योंकि यहाँ पे ticket prices वगैरह नहीं है, so there are a lot more people in this section of the Fatehpur Sikri complex than in the other section. And that white marble building that you see is the tomb of Salim Chishti. His is the only white marble building over here. So the story of Fatehpur Sikri goes this way कि अकबर का heir नहीं हो रहा था. He wasn't having a son, so he came to Fatehpur Sikri, which was nothing. It was just a village at that point, and he came to this Sufi saint Sheikh Salim Chishti, and he asked for his blessings, and then he had a child, and then he was so elated by it that he decided to shift his capital of the Mughal Sultanate from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri. Most of these historical cities are built around rivers or seashores because water is the most essential resource for any civilization. And Fatehpur Sikri में यही problem था कि यहाँ पानी नहीं था, so this city couldn't survive. So they had to shift the capital of the Mughal Sultanate back to Agra. Still, it's an amazing place. It's an entire city in itself. It's just amazing. And because Akbar was so happy with having her son, like this building, the tomb of Salim Chishti, is the only structure in the entire complex which is built entirely in white marble. Like you can see the difference between this building and all the other buildings. So let's explore the mosque complex of Fatehpur Sikri, and let's find our friends first. That's Sneha and Lola exploring the Fatehpur Sikri mosque. So let's follow them and see where they go. And this spot is wheelchair accessible as well. You can see there are ramps all along, like over there, and there's a guy, a tourist, who has come to visit this place in his wheelchair. So that's pretty amazing. Now we're going to the tomb of Salim Chishti. मैं अंदर वीडियो ले सकता हूँ? हाँ, यस, हाँ जी, थैंक यू. उसके बाद we started walking towards the main prayer hall of the Jama Masjid of Fatehpur Sikri. And this is how the architecture of it looked like on the inside. There were lots of bats flying around. You can listen to their voices all throughout. So we went to the area which had more light and we walked around for a while. और अब हम बुलंद दरवाज़ा की तरफ वॉक करें जो बहुत ही मैग्निफिसेंट एंट्री होना चाहिए, बट हम वहाँ से एग्जिट करने वाले. इट लुक्स ह्यूज, लाइक लुक एट द स्केल ऑफ दिस बिल्डिंग. It is simply magnificent, and of course this vlog deserves a grand exit as well. So let's go towards Buland Darwaza and let's see how it looks. That's Lola and that's Sneha waiting for me. So let's go. This is Sneha capturing the Buland Darwaza. Like it's actually so huge that it's not coming in the frame. Like we need to be too far away to actually capture it. Look at this, like
get a good frame too.
I like this calligraphy also, like it looks so cool. And those are the upper levels of the Buland Darwaza. In some buildings में ऊपर वाले levels पे भी जा सकते हैं, but obviously the gates, like you see that would be the gate, it would be closed. So हम यहीं से admire कर सकते हैं. एक्चुअली बुलंद दरवाज़ा की वीडियो लेने की मैं कोशिश कर रहा था, बट वो इतना टॉल है ना दैट वो पूरा आ ही नहीं रहा था फ्रेम में. तो मैं स्टेप से नीचे जाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सी कि नीचे जाके व्यू कैसा मिलता है. सो लेट्स सी. काफ़ी सारे स्टेप्स हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग डाउन. सो नीचे से भी व्यू कुछ ऐसा है. Like this is the Buland Darwaza. This is the view of the Buland Darwaza of Fatehpur Sikri. It's huge, as you can see from the scale of the people sitting there. But it is definitely huge. And अब हम वापस वहाँ ऊपर जाएंगे, लोला और स्नेहा को पिकअप करेंगे and then हम exit करेंगे. So let's go. एंड फाइनली हमें एक बस दिख गई और हमें उस बस में बैठ के जाना है पार्किंग पॉइंट तक. सो लेट्स गो.